Types of fractions. How many types of fractions are there? So first type of fraction, there are two categories. We divide the fractions into either they are proper or they are improper. बेटा improper proper के साथ एक और होते हैं mixed. वो mixed भी आते हैं but next exercise में दिए हुए हैं. ओके वो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में पढ़ेंगे. प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर और मिक्स 3 टाइप की कैटेगरीज होती है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट टाइप की कैटेगरी होती है लाइक एंड अनलाइक. एंड वन टाइप इज यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. ओके. प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर होते हैं, लाइक अनलाइक होते हैं और यूनिट फ्रैक्शन होते हैं. सबसे पहले प्रॉपर और इम्प्रॉपर. टू टेल यू अबाउट प्रॉपर, डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रॉपर एंड इम्प्रॉपर.
मैम.
यस यस.
Ma'am, last time you have said me to see the video. Ma'am, I have seen, ma'am, but I have understood. But ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Just wait a minute.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, proper and improper. So proper, आपको what do you mean by proper in Hindi? What do you mean by proper in Hindi? Tell me first of all. What do you mean by proper in Hindi? सही.
Ma'am, सही.
सही. ठीक है. If I say you are wearing a proper uniform, that means you are wearing a perfect uniform. And improper means which is not correct. That is improper. Okay. If somebody, I asked one student, how much marks did he scored in his test? So he said, ma'am, I scored 30 out of 25 out of 30. He write like this. I asked one student, how much marks has he got in his test? He said, I got 25 out of 30. Is he correct?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No. That means this fraction is improper.
No, ma'am.
It is not correct. That means improper. Okay. Now, I asked the same student, there's another student, he said, I got 25 out of 30. Is he correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This fraction is proper. What is the difference between two? Can you see the any difference between these two fractions? Why he said this one is wrong, why this one is correct?
Yes, ma'am. Because 25 upon 30 is the right to do the fraction.
Why? I am asking why is it right? Why is it right and why is it not right?
Numerator can not be bigger than denominator.
Anshuman, what were you? Anshuman will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha, beta, what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that, ma'am, this is correct because numerator should be small than the denominator.
Very good. Because numerator जो होता है, it should be smaller. Suppose if I ask you,
I have also said this.
I know. Okay, suppose this is one fraction. Okay. Wait, not like this. This is any of the fraction, and I said 1, 2, 3. I shaded 2 upon 3 parts of it. Wait a minute. अभी उल्टा करते हैं. Now you have to make any fraction which is 2 upon 4, 2 upon 3. So how will you make it? You will make like this. 1, 2, 2 upon 3. This is 2 upon 3. Okay, if I ask you to do it 3 upon 2, how can you make it? Can you do it? Out of 2 parts, can you shade 3 parts?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not possible. Okay? So this is improper, this is proper, and this is improper. See, when numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is improper. जब न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है तो वो इम्प्रॉपर होता है, और न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है डिनोमिनेटर से तो वो प्रॉपर होता है। अंडरस्टूड? प्रॉपर एंड इम्प्रॉपर। अगर नहीं समझ
Yes,
में
ma'am.
आएगा, इफ यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि मेरा प्रॉपर कौन सा था और इम्प्रॉपर कौन सा था, तो मार्क्स देख लो, ठीक है? सी, कैन यू गेट, सपोज, कैन यू गेट 102 आउट ऑफ 100?
No, ma'am.
100 में से 102 marks? No. So that means it is
No.
improper. Wait a minute. This is improper fraction. And if you get 100 out of 102, this is what? This is proper fraction. What is this? This is proper fraction.
Proper.
होता है proper fraction. ये improper है और ये proper fraction है. Okay? Now, like and unlike. What do you mean by like? What do you mean by like?
Ma'am,
पसंद.
पसंद.
Very good. एक तो वो होता है that you like something, that means पसंद. Okay. Another
Ma'am,
meaning
same.
of like. Another meaning of like.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am,
it?
ma'am, when we say someone that we like him, so in the comparison unit, it is that one like.
No. Anybody else?
Ma'am, same.
Yes, but good.
Ma'am,
Good
same.
one. हाँ. Like नहीं, वो example वाला जो कह रहे हो ना, हाँ. अगर if I say Varin is like Utsav. Varin is like Utsav. What does it mean? Varin is like Utsav.
Ma'am, same.
Same. Varin is like Utsav. Varin like Utsav नहीं कह रही हूँ. Varin is like Utsav. Varin is like Utsav. What does it mean? Varin is like Utsav. कि Varin Utsav की तरह है? Same.
Yes, ma'am.
Varin
Ma'am,
and
same.
Utsav are same. Varin and Utsav are same. It means that, right? Varin and Utsav are same. So, like means same. Like means same. Similar. Varin is same as Rachit. If I say Varin is same as Rachit, that means Varin is, Varin is like Rachit. That means Varin is same as Rachit. Okay. So, like means same what in fractions, same denominators. Denominators. When denominators are same, they are like fractions. And when denominators are different, unlike means different. Unlike is the opposite of like, that means unlike means different. Unlike means different. So different denominators, different what? Different denominators. Beta, we don't see the numerator. We see only the denominator. Numerator same हो या ना हो, हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. If the denominators are same, they are like fractions. If the denominators are different, they are unlike fractions. That is simple. And unit fraction, which has numerator as 1. जिनका numerator 1 होता है, they are unit fractions. Okay? Chalo, now let us start the question. Take out your maths notebooks, new page. Take out your maths pen notebook. Put down the date. Exercise 6.4 at the top. Question A. Write if the given fractions are like or unlike. Okay, do it. I'm telling you how to do it. But do it in the same way. Question A, B, C. All 3 questions are in front of you. You have to write down all 3 of them. Question C, जैसे लिखा है done in book, वैसा ही exactly अपनी notebook में लिख देना.
Ma'am, first question, ma'am, we have to guess like or unlike, ma'am, but the first question is not like or unlike.
नहीं, it is like or unlike only. आपको ये बताना है, ये जो first pair of number है, ये like है. See, read the question carefully. Write if the given fractions are like or unlike. You have to tell this given fraction 1 upon 9, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 7. They both are like or unlike. Okay, so what will you do? Abhimanyu, please stop it. ये like है या unlike है? If the denominators are different, they are unlike. And if the denominators are same, they are like.
So, ma'am, we have to write in the answer. We have to write only yes or
नहीं
no, ma'am.
बेटा, yes or no लिखना है. जरा read the question, Iram, again. Read the question, Iram. What is the question here? Iram,
Ma'am, write if the given fraction are like or unlike.
तो क्या लिखना है? Tell me, Iram.
Ma'am, like or unlike.
हाँ, yes no लिखना है, बताओ.
No, ma'am.
नहीं लिखना है ना? That's why I say always read the question carefully. Now see here. Okay, I'm going to start it. I'll tell you the answers. Beta, बहुत simple. It's not at all difficult. See in the first one, write if the given fractions are like or unlike. In first one, you have to tell whether these given number of fractions 1/9, 1/12, 1/7, they are like or unlike. So if you see their denominators, are they see only the denominators? Their denominators are same or not? They are
No,
different.
No, ma'am.
Different means unlike. So we are going to write here unlike. Simple. Please switch off your mic. Okay, 4/11, 6/11, 18/11. All three of them are having denominator as 11. Are they same or not? Denominators are same or not?
Yes, they are same.
Denominators are same, that means like. Okay, now again, C part. Third one, 2/5, 2/7, 2/18, and 2/20. Here, what is same? Sorry, denominators are same or not? Denominators
ma'am.
are same or
Ma'am,
not?
no.
बेटा हमें न्यूमरेटर देखना ही नहीं है, हमें तो सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर देखना है, like और unlike में. So if they are not same, that means they are unlike. Okay. Now next one is 1/5, 17/5, 16/5, and 9/5. The denominators are same here. Denominators are same. That means denominators are same. That means what?
Ma'am, like.
They are
Ma'am,
like. They are like.
like.
Okay. Now next question. Okay. Circle the proper fraction. Proper means, beta jab bhi you have to check whether they are proper or improper. Just see whether you can score 5 में से 7 marks आ सकते हैं या नहीं आ सकते हैं, 25 में से 30 marks आ सकते हैं या नहीं आ सकते, 29 में से 2 marks आ सकते हैं या नहीं आ सकते. Like this you have to do. Okay, so like this you have to do. How will you do it? Circle the proper fraction. So 7/5, 5 में से 7 marks आ सकते हैं आपके?
No, ma'am.
No, it is
ma'am.
improper.
No.
Improper है तो इसे सर्कल नहीं करना है. 25 में से 30 marks आ सकते हैं आपके?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No. 29 तो ये improper हो गया. 29 में से 2 marks आ सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can score 29 में से 2 marks. That means it is improper. Sorry, it is proper. 7 में से 3 marks आ सकते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That means we are going to circle this one also. 3 में से 17 marks आ सकते हैं?
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. 1 में से 8 में से 1, sorry.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here it is. And write question C done in book as it is given to you. Take a screenshot of it if you have any. If you have not done it, then take a screenshot of it. इसे as it is लिख लो जैसा ये दिया हुआ है. As it is जैसे मैंने लिखा है वैसे ही आप भी लिखेंगे. You just write down in the same way. You just write down in the same way question C done in book exactly like this. And take out your book's page number 80. After this, take out your book page number 80. Write down the answers quickly, check it. Those who have not done it, just do it quickly. Do not waste any more time. Okay, now I'm going to stop it. I'm going to now take out page 80 of your books. Okay, just wait. Page number 80 of your books. Just wait, this is not there. Page number 80 in your maths books. Yeah, this one. Question number C. Page number 80 in maths book. I'm writing here.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, in this we have unit fractions also. So, ma'am,
Yes,
we do
हाँ
unit
हाँ अभी
fraction
बताती हूँ उसके लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू जस्ट वेट अ मिनट अभी बताती हूँ उसके लिए मैं बेटा 9 अप ओके जस्ट वेट look here just wait a minute okay look here so about when numerators and denominators are same बेटा जब न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं जैसे 4/4 है सो ये प्रॉपर होगा या इम्प्रॉपर होगा फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज दिस सी this kind of fractions when numerators and denominators are same they are improper why they are improper क्योंकि अभी मैं आपको मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन बताने वाली हूँ नेक्स्ट पार्ट में तब मैं आपको बताऊंगी ये improper क्यों होता है okay it is an improper fraction because it can be written in the form of mixed number also और improper को ही हम mix में लिख सकते हैं secondly जब हम proper और improper की definition पढ़ते हैं so the proper definition of proper fraction is the numbers in which numerator is less than the numerator is less than the denominator but जब हम improper की definition पढ़ते हैं it is numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator it may be greater than the numerator greater भी हो सकता है और equal भी हो सकता है denominator के understood so this is the difference that's why this is improper इसको हम अभी mixed fraction पढ़ेंगे जिसको हम 4 whole number 0.4 में भी लिख सकते हैं तो हम खाली improper को ही mix में change कर सकते हैं mix को improper में change कर सकते हैं ठीक है that's why it is improper fraction second thing जब ये 4/4 जब न्यूमरेटर्स और डिनोमिनेटर्स सेम होते हैं they are also known as क्योंकि क्या होता है they are cancelled 4 1s are 4 4 1s are 4 तो ये क्या होता है ये बन जाता है आपका यूनिट फ्रैक्शन बेटा अगर कहीं पर आपका दोनों आ रहा है यूनिट फ्रैक्शन आ रहा है और इम्प्रॉपर भी आ रहा है तो आप उसे स्लैश लगा करके यूनिट फ्रैक्शन स्लैश इम्प्रॉपर ऐसे करोगे ओके लाइक दिस यूनिट कौन से होते हैं जिनका न्यूमरेटर 1 होता है लाइक 1/5 1/7 1/8 they all are improper fractions sorry they are unit fractions so I'm going to share the screen just do it quickly in your maths books page number 80 this is given in your maths books start doing it in front of it if they are first like if you can see the fifth one it is proper also as well as if I can let me show you
What is the page?
see let's see fifth this one it is improper it is proper also and unit also so you will write here proper slash और proper भी और unit भी है proper भी लिखो और इसको unit भी लिखो ऐसे करके do it quick we will discuss rest of the some of the answers now and some of the answers in the next period so if you can see 9/9 here what is 9/9 here improper or proper
Improper.
ma'am, improper and unit.
Improper also and numerator and denominators are same that means unit also this is unit also and improper also both write both of them like I have done it 9/6 6 में से 9 marks आ सकते हैं हाँ
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
so it is proper or improper
Ma'am, improper.
improper okay Okay, see the next one, 18 upon 34. 34 में से 18 marks आ सकते हैं.
Ma'am, it is proper.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
It is proper. Proper. 2 में से 5 marks आ सकते हैं.
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Improper or proper?
Ma'am, improper.
5 में से 6.
No, ma'am.
It is proper or improper?
Improper.
Proper.
Improper.
Okay, I think we'll not be able to more than this. The time will be up. The time is up. Okay, we have less than 1 minute. Okay, तो 10 में से 12 marks आ सकते हैं. जल्दी से बताओ.
No, ma'am.
No.
Improper.
No.
Improper.
Okay, this one. Again, 41. It is improper as well as unit also. Improper. Ignore the spelling if I'm writing wrong because I'm just in a hurry. Meeting is going to end soon.